Good morning, my dear student. Today we will discuss about topic on coelom. Today we will discuss about topic on coelom. The word coelom was first coined by Haeckel. The word coelom was first coined by Haeckel. What is the coelom? The coelom meaning body wall or ectoderm, endoderm or gut wall between space is called coelom. Coeloms are in the animal kingdom. Three types of coelom. They are acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, and third one is a eucoelomate. So today we will discuss only here acoelomate and pseudocoelomate. After next video we can discuss topic is acoelomate. So first one of the acoelomate. So first the Gandhi diagram of acoelomate. So most important is here in neat syllabus. So diagram also very most important. Sometime so given the diagram and ask the very important. So that's why here diagram also very most important. Every student. So it is a endoderm. So it is a ectoderm. Acoelomata diagram. So it is acoelomata diagram. So here ectoderm or body wall, endoderm or gut wall. So here between cavity, coelom is absent. Coelom is option A meaning absent. So here it is lined by mesenchyma. So it is mesenchyma. So what is the first of the coelom? Here coelom meaning the body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. Is it clear? Once again, the body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. Is it clear? Next, more elaborately, coelom is fluid filled space. Once again, more elaborately, coelom is a fluid filled space between the body wall and visceral organs lined by mesodermal epithelium is called coelom. Second point. Next, third point is there the animal possess coelom is called coelomates. So that is a coelom. So as well as next is a acoelomate. What is the acoelomate? The body wall and endoderm between cavity is lined by mesenchyma. Hence they are called acoelomate. A meaning absent, coelom is absent, space is absent, cavity is absent, lumen is absent. Coelom meaning otherwise called lumen, cavity, space. So as well as mesenchyma, that is mesenchyma derived from the third germinal layer is called mesoderma. Mesoderm. So no body cavity. So as well as here solid body plan. Acoelomates are solid body plan. So as well as the internal organs are embedded in their internal organ cannot move freely as they are embedded in the mesenchyma. Once again, their internal organs cannot move freely as they are embedded in the mesenchyma. So as well as another most important, diffusion of material from gut wall into body wall is very slowly transport and less efficient, very slowly transport and less efficient. So here acelomate best example, here platyhelminthes. So platyhelminthes example here, platyhelminthes liver fluke. And second one is Taenia solium, and third one is Dugusia, and fourth one is Carmeluta. So they are best example of acoelomates. Best example of acoelomate. So here next is a pseudocoelomate. Next is the pseudocoelomate. So here pseudocoelomate. So draw the diagram of pseudocoelomate here. Pseudocoelomate. So it is the endoderm, ectoderm. So I will draw the rough diagram or neatly diagram. Can you understand? So as well as here mesoderm. Here. So it is the ectoderm. Ectoderm or body wall. So as well as here next one is here. Next endoderm. So as well as here pseudocoelom. So it is mesoderm, and it is pseudocoelom. So TS of pseudocoelomate. So here what is the pseudocoelom? So first of the here what is the pseudocoelom? The animal body cavity is not lined by mesodermal epithelium is called pseudocoelom. Not lined by mesodermal epithelium is called pseudocoelom. So here not lined by mesodermal, it is the only just embedded line to the ectodermal body mesoderm. So that's why it is a false coelom. So as well as false coelom, the pseudocoelom is first animal to exhibit the tube with tube ordination. Tube with tube ordination. So, tube with tube ordination first exhibited by pseudocoelomate. So, as well as pseudocoelomate fluid of pseudocoelomate serves as a hydrostatic skeleton and as a shock absorber. So, pseudocoelomate best example Nematoda. Nematoda. So nematode otherwise called according to NCERT Ascae helminthes. So nematode best example of Ascaris or moonworm and Mucorarea brown tufting, phylloden worm and Ancylostoma, hookworm, and fourth one the Enterobius, pinworm. So these are the best example of pseudocoelomate. So thank you my dear friends.